In this video, I will be explaining how many videos you need to post to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube on your channel. More importantly, I will reveal how many videos you need to post on average to hit even 10,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, or even 1,000,000 subscribers. I believe that you will find this information incredibly useful. So many people come to us here at Tube Mastery and ask us, I've uploaded 10 videos, why am I not getting views? What's happening here? And you can't expect to get views after posting 10 videos. Most people give up because they think YouTube is just a game of luck and there's not really a tactic behind it. Well, they're actually very, very wrong. There are certain things you can do on YouTube to grow, and it's not even a case of being lucky. One of them is by uploading a lot of videos. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. One thing you can do by uploading a lot of videos is it gives you a better chance of having that one video that takes off in the algorithm and then the others follow after that. Because once you find that video that works and pops off, you can use that to your advantage and optimize the other videos based off the data from that video, and then in turn your channel will just pop off. You want to be making videos about the things that are doing well on your channel. But here at Tube Mastery, we recommend uploading at least 33 videos before you actually optimize anything. Because 33 videos is a large enough sample to actually base it off the data. You can't just base it off the data of 5 videos. If you upload 33 around the same topic and niche and all of that jazz, then you'll be able to determine what does well and what doesn't. Now let's go over how many videos the average channel uploads to hit a certain subscriber count. But a quick disclaimer, this is just averages. It doesn't mean that you are going to hit that. This is just averages. So if you come to me after watching this video and say, I've uploaded 50 videos, why have I not hit more than 10 subscribers yet? You know, because there's probably something you're not doing correct. And I'm not saying that from a bad point of view, but we're here to help you here at Tube Mastery, so that's all you've got to keep in mind. Some people just reach YouTube milestones faster than others, and that's because of their ability to grow their channels, or maybe it is just luck some of the time, but you don't want to just base your whole success on luck. That isn't what it can be. You can base it off actually knowing what to do on the platform. So, if you're just starting out and you're wondering how you can hit 1,000 subscribers as quickly as possible, and how many videos you need to post on average, obviously, to hit that amount, here we go. The average channel between 1,000 subscribers and 10,000 subscribers has 150 videos uploaded to it. So keep that in mind when you're complaining about not getting anywhere when you posted just 10 videos. Have you uploaded 150 videos yet and haven't hit that? Let us know down in the comments, because if you have and you haven't hit even 1,000 subscribers yet, then you are doing something wrong. How many videos would it take to hit 10,000 subscribers then? On average, channels between 10,000 subscribers and 100,000 subscribers have uploaded around 400 videos each. 400 videos, that is a lot of content. But once you hit over 100,000 subscribers, you unlock that silver play button. But how many videos do you need on average to hit that? The average channel between 100,000 subscribers and 1,000,000 subscribers has uploaded over 1,200 videos. That is actually mind-blowing. 1,200 videos, that is literally, well, yeah, over 1,000, 1,200 even. It's 200 more than 1,000. It's incredible. I'll honestly be very shocked if anyone's watching this video and has uploaded over 1,000 videos on their channel. I mean, actual good videos where they're improving every single time, not just random Minecraft clips. You know, you want to be actually making good videos, and that's no disrespect to Minecraft. You know, it's just, you know, you can produce Minecraft videos, but you know, you want to be producing good Minecraft videos. So how many videos does a channel need to post to get a gold play button and 1,000,000 subscribers? In a second I'll reveal that amount, but if you've gained any value from this video and this channel, then please give it a like and subscribe. So how many videos are needed to get 1,000,000 subscribers? Well, if you were to upload every single day for 10 years, that would be 3,900 videos. That's the average amount of videos that a channel with 1,000,000 subscribers has on their channel. 3,900. When you're feeling discouraged working on your own channels, keep these numbers in mind, because it puts things into perspective when you realise how many videos people actually post when they hit these numbers. Obviously, it is possible to reach these numbers whilst uploading much fewer videos, but it's not always the case. You've got to keep that in mind. You can't always be expecting and feeling entitled that you should be getting that views just by posting good content. I'm not saying it's not good, I'm just saying that you need to try harder, post more videos. Basically. To give you some context, it took me over 250 videos to hit over 60,000 subscribers on my own personal channel. And if you know what you're doing, you can grow way faster. Back in the day when I was posting on my own personal channel, I just did it because I enjoyed it. I wasn't thinking, oh, I have to upload X amount of videos to get X amount of subscribers or views. I was just doing it out of pure curiosity. But if you're uploading and you know what you're doing, then imagine how much quicker you can get to those numbers. Matt Parr, who's on the Tube Mastery team, only had to upload 172 videos to hit 300,000 subscribers, so he uploaded less videos than me, and he hit much more amount of subscribers. So it is possible. But it did take him over 5 years to hit 1 million subscribers on one of his other faceless channels, and you had to upload over 600 videos to hit that number. Mr. Beast, one of the biggest YouTubers right now, uploaded over 100 videos and didn't even hit over 1,000 subscribers doing that. So, can you do that? Would you be able to take uploading 100 videos and not even hitting 1,000 subscribers? I guarantee you wouldn't carry on. And obviously now he's one of the biggest channels on YouTube. At this point, you're probably wondering, how can I grow my channel faster than the averages? And is there a way and technique of actually doing this? Well, yes, you can find that out. Check out this video over here and we'll go over exactly that. It will give you a lot of value and I urge you to check it out, so I'll see you there. We'll reveal the exact blueprint starting your channel from absolutely zero, so check it out right now. It doesn't matter if you have 0 subscribers and 0 views, this video will help you.